not yesterday, not here.
I'm totally happy to have it.
Yes.
It's a little bigger too.